Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Harborview and we're giving you an update on the new Shoppers Fair supermarket that is being built out here. Now this is a massive structure. This is going to be a very large supermarket. It could be the largest Shoppers Fair supermarket in Jamaica. I have to double check the square footage, but I think it's going to be the largest Shoppers Fair in Jamaica. Now, Harborview is, and that's the residential neighborhood behind the supermarket. And to the left, those are some of the shops. Well, around to the left and right, those are the shops for the Harborview Plaza. Now, Harborview is a very busy place. It has a very large residential population, and it's also strategically located. It is right at the entrance to the Southern Coastal Highway, and it's also, you have to pass Harborview to get to the airport and Port Royal. So this plaza is very busy, and it has everything you need for a successful plaza in Jamaica. One, a brand name supermarket, and we just showed you the Shoppers Fair. Straight ahead, that's Burger King. You need a fast food restaurants. This plaza has Burger King and it has KFC. KFC alone will bring the crowd into the plaza. But this one has KFC, Pizza Hut, Tasty Patties, and KFC. They have other restaurants as well. And the third thing you need is to build a plaza in a populated area, and Harborview is one of the largest, is where you'll find one of the largest residential areas in Jamaica. And also, when you leave the airport, this is the first plaza you're going to come to when you drive out to the airport. And it's at the entrance to the Southern Coastal Highway, and this is a highway that takes you from Kingston or St. Andrew to St. Thomas and Portland. It's basically the gateway to the east. Alright guys, enjoy the tour. We'll keep you guys updated on this supermarket. As you can see, it's not opened yet, but they seem to be very close to opening. So we'll keep you guys updated. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.